Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is about the best PC cases. You will want the best PC case if you are building your perfect gaming PC. The best PC cases come in many shapes and sizes, and they will house your PC's components either relatively humbly, or with all the eccentricity of a mech design. Keep watching the video to find the PC case that suits your needs. This is Lian Li LANCOOL 215 gaming case. It features two pre-installed 200mm RGB fans, and a 120mm fan, combining with mesh panels, and honeycomb vents to enable efficient ventilation. The pre-installed fans ensure the case runs at peak performance, and are equipped with LED lights, which creates a dazzling effect through the mesh panel. The LED button located on the top controls 8 lighting modes, and 7 colors through a simple click. The included fan hub can provide extra power to 3 additional fans, and 1 extra ARGB device. The honeycomb vent design at the top, rear, and above the PC.The chamber guarantees an abundant airflow is delivered to the interior components, optimizing the thermal management. Also, it supports a maximum of 7 fans, and radiators in various sizes and configurations, and with two 200mm fans mounted outside of the frame. You still have enough room to front mount a 360 AIO radiator to benefit from the ultimate cooling scenario. The 22mm thick space behind the motherboard ensures the cables fit in well, and the rubber grommets around the motherboard, and the cable tie points at the back of the motherboard tray, with included Velcro straps, simplify cable management. The trendy mesh design at the front panel provides filtration for dust coming from outside the chassis. It is a perfect budget gaming case for the first build, or simple gaming system. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Cooler Master Cosmo's C700P Black Edition Tower. It has a lightly tinted tempered glass side panel, with 2 curved edges, that offer a wide view of the system build. The flat radiator brackets offer an easier maintenance, mounting, and removal process for liquid cooling with more clearance for push-pull configurations. The unique frame design supports a conventional, chimney, inverse layout, or a fully customized layout. The motherboard tray is also removable for installation outside of the chassis. The 3 included covers can be placed on either the M port, or on the mid-pallet, with the ability to mount SSD storage or a reservoir. The advanced I/O panel features a USB 3.1 Type-C port, 4 additional USB 3.0 ports, a fan speed control button, and an RGB control button. To support exotic layouts with motherboards, or graphics cards oriented vertically, an alternate panel with rubber grommets is included to allow a pass-through for external cables. Its larger footprint means that you won't be pushed for space either, making it a delight to build into. Also, the RGB lighting is subtle enough that it won't distract you while you game, and yes, this is a lot to spend on an enclosure. However, those willing to go all out on a build will get a case with everything they need to create a stunning PC. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Corsair Carbide 275R Mid-Tower Gaming Case. It combines a sleek, minimalist design with all the features demanded by the most powerful PCs, and its soft accent lighting frames the case's clean lines and curved edges. The edge-to-edge, stunning tempered glass side panel shows off every inch of your build. In order to achieve versatile cooling, it is designed with room for up 6 cooling fans, or a 360mm radiator in front, a 240mm radiator in the roof, and a 120mm radiator to the rear. Durable, rugged construction steel drive trays provide ample room for up to 2 3.5 inches HDDs, and 4 2.5 inches SSDs. With direct air path cooling, cool air is directed to the hottest components, without any interference from the device cages. It has a dedicated cable routing compartment that enables effortlessly clean builds. With impressive performance, and a good internal layout, plus a low price, it offers a good mix of style and functionality, with an effortless build process. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Phanteks Evolv X PC case. Phanteks has made some incredible cases over the years, but the Evolv X stands out as an excellent chassis for anyone looking for a mid-tower instance with a little something extra. That extra being the ability to slide 2 systems into their pleasing form. There is room for an ITX system in the top to go above the main ATX system. Despite being classed as a mid-tower, it supports not only multi-motherboards but also dual system support. This new version upgrades an already excellent case to one that's as versatile as it is attractive. If your demands aren't quite so crazy, then you will find it roomy to build in, and there are enough neat little touches and funky design choices to cover almost any build you have in mind. There is space for all-in-one liquid coolers in the top for up to 360mm and front for up to 420mm. It comes with a universal fan hub, 3 Phanteks premium 120mm fans, and has cable-hiding flaps in the rear so that it looks good whichever side you look at. So looking at its supports for dual system builds, spacious well-designed interior, and great cable management, it is the best mid-tower case to build 2 systems in. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Corsair 4000X PC case. This new 4000 series come in 3 flavors, RGB, Airflow, and Sleek and Silent. The 4000X RGB comes with 3 fans behind a tempered glass panel at the front of the chassis. Corsair has kept its design simple, clean, and minimalist. That said, there are a few design touches here and there, but they are all well executed and not obtrusive. Corsair's new yellow accent color and sleeker branding also complements this design quite well. This case is aimed at more budget-oriented builds that often end up with visually mismatched hardware, where a dark tint helps blend it all together while still giving that luxury glass look. On the inside, it features a commonly found compact ATX layout, and at the bottom is a PC.The shroud that hides the lower clutter, where you will be able to fit large power supplies and up to 2 hard drives. Behind the motherboard tray are 2 2.5-inch caddies, which you can move to the top of the PC.The shroud if you want to show off your SSDs. The front of the case has a fine mesh filter behind the front panel, and a filter is also included over the PC.The intake. It has good cable management, and if you were a fan of the original Corsair 350D or 450D, then you will like the new 4000 series cases. Or, if you are a new builder looking to set up a gaming rig with one of Nvidia's brand new cards, there is plenty to like here too. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video, and hope this video was helpful in finding the PC case that suits your needs. The links for more information are in the description below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next video.